Additive manufacturing, transforming industries through innovation. Additive manufacturing, AM, often referred to as 3D printing, is a revolutionary technology that has transformed the landscape of manufacturing across various industries. Unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing processes, where materials are cut or shaped to create a final product, AM builds objects layer by layer from digital models. This nuanced approach brings unparalleled design freedom, reduced waste, and enhanced customization, making it a cornerstone of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Historical evolution. The roots of AM can be traced back to the 1980s with the invention of stereolithography, SLA, by Chuck Hull. Since then, AM technologies have rapidly evolved, embracing diverse materials and applications. From prototyping to end-use part production, AM has traversed a remarkable journey, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Key technologies: stereolithography, SLA. One of the earliest techniques, SLA uses ultraviolet light to solidify liquid resin layer by layer, creating intricate and accurate models. SLA operates on the principle of photopolymerization. The process begins with a vat of liquid resin, typically a photopolymer, whose molecules react when exposed to ultraviolet UV light. The SLA printer utilizes a laser or other light sources to selectively solidify specific areas of the resin, layer by layer, based on the digital design provided. The platform holding the object descends into the resin tank after each layer is cured, allowing the subsequent layer to be exposed and solidified. This layer-by-layer approach results in the gradual construction of a three-dimensional object. Fused deposition modeling, FDM. FDM involves melting thermoplastic filaments and depositing them layer by layer to form the desired object. It's widely used for rapid prototyping. Fused deposition modeling, FDM, a groundbreaking additive manufacturing technology that has significantly impacted industries ranging from prototyping to end-use part production. Invented by Scott Crump in the late 1980s, FDM has become synonymous with 3D printing, democratizing the process of creating complex geometric shapes and functional prototypes. Selective laser sintering, SLS. SLS employs a laser to sinter powdered materials, such as polymers or metals, layer by layer. This technology is known for its versatility in material usage. Selective laser sintering, SLS, stands at the forefront of additive manufacturing, offering a versatile and powerful solution for producing three-dimensional objects. Patented by Carl Deckard and Joseph Beeman in the 1980s, SLS has evolved into a widely adopted 3D printing technology known for its ability to create complex and functional parts. Direct metal laser sintering, DMLS. An evolution of SLS, DMLS focuses on metal powders, allowing the production of functional metal parts with complex geometries. Metal additive manufacturing technologies, bringing unprecedented possibilities to industries that demand intricate metal parts with high precision. Developed as a direct evolution of selective laser sintering, SLS, DMLS offers a unique approach by using a high-powered laser to sinter and fuse metal powder particles layer by layer, resulting in robust and intricate three-dimensional metal components. Binder jetting. This method uses a liquid binding agent to selectively bond powder particles, layer by layer, enabling the creation of precise and detailed objects. Applications across industries. Automotive, AM, has revolutionized prototyping, tooling, and even the production of critical components in the automotive sector, enhancing efficiency and reducing lead times. Aerospace. From lightweight components to complex engine parts, AM has found extensive use in aerospace for its ability to create intricate structures and reduce overall weight. Healthcare. Custom implants, prosthetics, and even patient-specific surgical models are now possible with AM, providing personalized solutions in healthcare. Consumer goods. The consumer goods industry benefits from AM's capability to produce customized products, limited editions, and intricate designs with ease. Architecture. AM enables architects to transform digital designs into intricate physical models quickly, facilitating better visualization and communication of ideas. Challenges and future outlook. While AM offers transformative possibilities, challenges like material limitations, post-processing requirements, and scalability issues persist. However, ongoing research and innovations are steadily addressing these hurdles. The future of AM holds promises of more sustainable practices, expanded material options, and increased integration into mainstream manufacturing processes. Additive manufacturing stands at the forefront of technological advancements, redefining how products are conceptualized, designed, and manufactured. Its impact reverberates across